ECZ Paper Question 10 Biology 2020 GCE. Past examination paper workout by Decroly Education Center. Question 10. Explain the meaning of the following ecological terms. Species, 2 marks. Niche, 2 marks. Habitat, 2 marks. B. Identify the undesirable effects of water pollution by raw sewage. 6 marks. Total, 12 marks. Answer. A. This question explores the fascinating field of ecology. The terms in question, namely, species, niche and habitat, form the building blocks of ecological understanding. Summary concept of species, niche and habitat. Species is a group of organisms that share similar characteristics and have the potential to interbreed. Niche is organism's habitat, its interactions with other species, its feeding habits, and its reproductive strategies. As for habitat, it is the physical environment in which an organism lives. Let's look at species. In the vast tapestry of life on Earth, a species is the most basic unit. It refers to a group of organisms that share similar characteristics and have the potential to interbreed. For example, dogs belong to the species Canis lupus familiaris. Each species is distinct, with its own genetic makeup and unique adaptations to the environment. Understanding species is crucial for studying biodiversity and the interconnectedness of ecosystems. Moving on to niche, imagine an orchestra. Each musician has a specific role, contributing to the overall harmony. Similarly, in an ecosystem, every organism has a niche, which can be thought of as its role or occupation. A niche encompasses not just an organism's habitat, but also its interactions with other species, its feeding habits, and its reproductive strategies. No two species can occupy the exact same niche, as there would be intense competition. Understanding niches helps us comprehend the delicate balance of ecosystems and the potential impacts of changes within them. Lastly, let's explore the concept of habitat. A habitat is the physical environment in which an organism lives. It includes the biotic factors, such as other organisms, and abiotic factors, such as temperature and soil composition, that influence the organism's survival. Habitats can range from vast, diverse ecosystems like rainforests to more specific microhabitats, such as the underside of a leaf. Protecting habitats is crucial for conserving biodiversity, as they provide the necessary resources for species to thrive. As we wrap up our discussion, it's important to remember that species, niche and habitat are not isolated concepts. They are intricately connected, forming the complex web of life on our planet. By understanding these terms and their interactions, we can gain insights into the functioning of ecosystems, the impacts of human activities, and the measures needed for conservation. Ecology truly is a fascinating field, and there's always more to learn. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration. B. Undesirable effects of water pollution by raw sewage. Water pollution is a grave concern, and one of its most insidious forms is raw sewage contamination. While it may not be as visually striking as industrial waste, the impact it has on our ecosystems is profound. When raw sewage enters water bodies, it acts as a fertilizer for algae. This leads to an excessive growth of algae, known as an algal bloom. As these algae die and decompose, the process consumes a significant amount of oxygen, leaving aquatic organisms struggling for survival. Raw sewage contains a cocktail of harmful pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites. When it contaminates water sources, it puts human health at risk. Diseases like cholera, Dysentery and hepatitis are common outcomes of such pollution. Water bodies are intricate ecosystems, with each organism playing a crucial role. Raw sewage pollution disrupts this delicate balance. It can lead to the decline of certain species, the proliferation of others, and even alter the overall biodiversity of an area. The consequences of raw sewage pollution extend beyond the environment. It can severely impact industries like fishing and tourism, which rely on clean water bodies. The costs of treating contaminated water and the loss of revenue from affected sectors are significant burdens on economies. Raw sewage pollution is a pressing issue that demands immediate attention. By implementing better sewage treatment systems, promoting awareness, and enforcing stricter regulations, we can mitigate its adverse effects. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.